This tutorial covers how to make a basic search on Flick. You come up to the screen here and simply click on the search button, put in the hashtag or topic relating to your niche. So I'm going to choose the example streetwear and simply hit the search button. What Flick's going to do is it's going to search our database and it's going to come up with the 10 most related hashtags to streetwear. So as you can see, I can just hover over them and a box appears here that shows you the media count and the average likes on the best performing posts made with each hashtag. So what this really will allow you to do is to find the most relevant hashtags to a certain topic or to a certain niche on Instagram, which is going to be really important when you start thinking about your hashtag strategy, since using the right hashtags won't only allow you to have a high engagement rate as a direct effect of using the correct hashtags, but also it will allow Instagram's algorithm to gradually classify your account as an account in a certain niche and then display your content on the explore page of the people that are interested in that same niche. In the next tutorial, we'll be covering how to use the expand feature to really dive deeper into your niche and find even more relevant hashtags to your target audience.